The National Coronavirus Command Council has decided to enforce a nationwide lockdown for 21 days with effect from midnight on Thursday, the 26th of March. This is a decisive measure to save lives of South Africans from infection and save the lives of hundreds of thousands of our people.
Hey guys, we're hours away from the lockdown. President Cyril Ramaphosa has implemented a 21-day lockdown in South Africa to curb the spread of coronavirus or COVID-19. So I'm going to document my journey, and I've roped in a few friends to help with this. They'll be sharing their experiences, and I will be sharing my experiences to show you how we're surviving the lockdown over the next few weeks.
Hello everyone, and I hope you're all well. So my name is Darshan, and Clinton basically reached out to me just to see how things were going here in Australia in regards to the lockdown. I would like to state I am from the UK and arrived in Sydney about mid-January under the whole working holiday visa, which basically means I get to both work as well as travel here for a year. The day I arrived was actually the first time I'd heard about the virus, and since then, obviously fast forward to today, it's turned into a pandemic with over 4,000 cases here in Australia and 2,000 of those cases being right here in New South Wales. Even though this completely changed my plans, I've come to realise this is way out of my control. After giving it a lot of thought, I've decided to still stay here, as fortunately for me, I've got some family here who have been kind enough to let me stay with them until things have settled. I do know some backpackers, however, who had to make the whole tough decision of going back home before the borders are closed.
Hi, this is Sheryl from New York. I'm just checking in. You know, this has been unprecedented time in America, and you know, we're just trying to deal with the lockdown, and that's the easy part. What we will probably never recover from is the deaths. Just yesterday, we set a record of 800 people dying in this country from the virus. So right now, we are just praying not only for us, but everybody.
Hi, I'm Sheryl.
Hi, I'm Eric. We're from Malaysia. Currently, we're under the government announced MCO, which stands for Movement Control Order. And today is probably our 16th day. And it actually started last month on the 18th, the first phase of the MCO. And supposedly to be ended on 31st March, but unfortunately due to the number of cases, the number of increased COVID-19 cases, the government actually extended the MCO to this month's 14th. And at the moment, during this time, we are quite restricted, especially when we want to go out to do our grocery. Let's say it's only one person, one car policy, and we are not supposed to go further. I think they specify that not more than 10 kilometers away from where you are staying. And also shops, restaurants and other 24 hours convenience stores, they are also being restricted on their business operating hours. Recently the government just imposed rules whereby they can only just open from 8 in the morning till 8 in the evening. Yeah, that's about it, and I'll leave the rest to my wife, Cheryl.
Yeah, and we have just wrap up at what's happening in Malaysia now. We are in the term of like phase 2, so the government will extend another 2 more weeks till 14 April just to ensure they can contain the virus in Malaysia. So right now we are quite strict that we have to follow the law and regulation, and if they actually restricted us like one person to come out and get the essential goods and things outside the supermarket, so but mostly we do our daily activities in the homes to stay home.
Hi there, I'm Kerry, founder of Disruptive Marketing SA. How's lockdown been for me? Honestly, it's been fine. I think we were given enough time to prepare So we have all the groceries we need. I'm divorced, so I'm lucky that I have my daughter with me, so I'm not alone. And I think the best part is probably how the community has come together. For me to see humanity again, people supporting each other, people motivating each other, has really been the best part. And I'm grateful to the government, as difficult as the decision was, for making this decision to try and keep all of us as safe and healthy as possible. And I really urge all of us to respect the lockdown rules, to keep looking after each other, and we'll make it through this together.
Hello, I'm Giacomo. I'm from Chiara in Italy, and that's part of my place. I'm living with 2 friends and I'm in quarantine since 1 month. That means that I'm not going out except for shopping, for buying food. And this quarantine is being a regenerating time for my soul, because I'm giving so much space to myself. Playing music, guitar, singing, reading books, learning new things, meditating so much. And it's being precious because I'm cultivating so much myself and I'm feeling good with my soul.
So lockdown day 7 has been quite interesting. I had lots of plans of reading books and finishing them, but I haven't done all of that. I have been reading, I have been praying, I have been meditating, and I have been cooking quite a lot more than I usually do. The highlight of my week so far has been doing a Zoom call with my family from all around South Africa for my niece's sweet 16th birthday. I think that's what made us really appreciate how this has changed our lives and how this virus has changed our family even. But we're staying strong, we're staying safe. I haven't left the house yet. I've been lucky enough to have my sister, who's a nurse, who delivers things that we need. And stay safe, guys.
Okay, hi everybody. Hi. We are Chiara and Hafida. We are Italian, but we are in France during our quarantine, Saint-Germain-en-Laye, close to Paris. And nothing, we have really strong hours. We just woke up and it's 1 p.m. We're having coffee. We study a lot, we eat a lot. And we are 3 Italians all together, so not bad. Bisous!
Little Italy here in Saint-Germain-en-Laye. Yeah.
Hey guys, so I left the house on day 15 of lockdown because I need to get some medical supplies and some groceries. Wearing my gloves, and then I have where's this? My mask that I'm going to use now. And apparently there's like a queue, so people are obviously social distancing as well. Yeah, so let's go. I just arrived home and I just want to wipe my face because there's so much sweat dripping down my face and I can't touch it because I had gloved hands and I'm not sure. So I'm going to sanitize when I get home and have a bath.
Hi, we're 2 Italians and a Mexican in the Netherlands doing the quarantine. This is what we're doing. Exercising, studying, playing Pokemon, cooking. This is all from the Netherlands.
I'm not doing what I thought I would be doing or what I should be doing, like finally starting that novel or getting through that big pile of books. But the one thing I have been doing is getting in touch with family and friends, and that's been wonderful because a lot of people I haven't talked to, and some not in years. So that's the one bright spot in all this madness, is getting back in touch with those we love. Take care.